Tom and Dan here at Sharpening Supplies, and today we have three very special stones from Shapton on the bench. Dan, what's special about these three stones?
These stones are 30,000 grit. Pretty much the finest stone that I'm aware of. Haven't seen anything finer in a stone form, certainly.
So 30,000 grit, that's kind of crazy. So, and like
Yeah.
the bigger the number, the smaller the grit
smaller
size.
the particle size,
Right.
exactly. So if we looked at this in microns, which is just the opposite, the smaller the number, the smaller the particle. These particles are 0.44 of a micron or in that neighborhood, and that's a micron is a 1,000th of a millimeter.
Right.
So we're talking very small.
Yeah. Millionth of a meter.
Yeah.
I do love the metric system. Right. And so why, you know, aside from because it's there?
Yeah. Well, if you are looking to have a finishing stone that is going to get you as sharp as you can get and possibly use for very light, frequent resharpening where you're hitting the stone before you even notice that you're losing any cutting ability.
Right.
These are really nice. They're also, honestly, if you are on what I call the quest for the ultimate edge, if you just have to take things as far as you can, you can get these stones and know that you have not left any stone unused. And besides that, they're very cool.
They are very cool. And then, so who would these be good for? Because I do a lot of woodworking. I've got an 8,000 grit stone. I'm perfectly happy with you know, that kind of finish.
Right, right, exactly. These are not a stone that you need.
Right.
You're going to be able to get a very good edge with your 8,000 grit stone. These are for those, I joke about quest for the ultimate edge, but somewhat serious. If you want to take things as far as you can, and some people really, really like to kind of just push the boundaries and see how sharp they can get, these are the kind of stones that are going to get you into that territory.
Are there any particular tools that you think would benefit from like a 30,000 grit finish at edge?
The most often I see is knives.
Okay, yeah.
Possibly some woodworkers would be interested in this.
Yeah.
And perhaps some straight razor sharpening.
Okay, yeah, excellent. And then can you just tell us a little bit about the three different ranges here?
Absolutely, yeah. So we have here the Kuromaku professional stone. These are their unmounted stones. You can use either side. They come in the case, which is both storage and working holder. These are frankly expensive.
Right.
You know, you've got a lot of thickness of stone there, but that's one option. The next option is the HR series glass stones. These are the ones that are mounted on the glass plate. Very similar in feel to what you're going to get from the Kuromaku, but because there's less material involved, not quite as expensive. And then finally, we have the G7 series, the GlassStone 7s. And these, as you can see, 0.44 micron. Very similar to the other GlassStone HR series, but obviously smaller. So this will be kind of the most economical version. And this, you can get this stone on its own, or you can get it in a kit that comes with this holder. It also comes with a specialized little diamond flattening stone for it. And that kit comes with 3 grits, this being the finest one.
Exactly. It is the finest grit.
It is.
Yes. Okay, that's great. And so if you are on the quest for the sharpest edge you can manage, then you can find these 30,000 grit stones over at sharpeningsupplies.com.